Hi guys! When we waked up, it was such a beautiful day. So we ate breakfast and we then we gone in the garden and thought of plucking some beautiful mangoes. So we can't reach the mangoes because they are in great height. So we thought we can go on the terrace. Want to find out what's next? Come on, let's go. The mangoes, it's right over there. Whoa, pluck them, won't you? Yeah. Hey guys, now remember, if you wanna try this, don't come here alone. Come here with your parents or grandma or any elder ones than you. Oh, hey, go back. Did something go? Oh, stupid. I just fell over. Guys, we came back from the terrace and we plucked some very good mangoes. Look at them. And also, we gave it to all the mangoes we plucked to our grandma, and then she sliced it and then put it in a lovely bowl, and she cut it also. Look at it. So yummy, right? I can't wait to eat it. Wait. This chili powder and also salt. Guys, remember, if you want chili powder in the mango, you must ask your parents to put it. And in the mango, there is coconut oil added just for a taste with those ingredients. Separated mangoes into two different bowls. My brother, he doesn't like chili powder, so we have separated some for him and for me. So I like chili powder just for the taste. So but he doesn't like because he doesn't like. That's it. So we are just going to start tasting. Come on, you can't wait. Let's take one mango. It's very sour, but it's very nice to eat. And it can cool us down so strong. It feels like we're on the salt island. You have mangoes at your home. Make this recipe that we have showed you and subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. See you next time. Bye.